guys, welcome back to my channel. I get often asked for an updated video on my bag, and I honestly want the heart-shaped one. If you have it, let me know. I ordered this bag 2 years ago, and this bag has single-handedly turned into my everyday bag. And what I mean by everyday bag, unless I'm going somewhere, you know, where I'm like have an accessory bag, this is the bag that I'm wearing. What I love about this bag is that it actually has the straps, or you can kind of wear it just like this. It's not that big, but it carries everything. So you can put your phone in here, your gloss, your wallet. It fits a good amount of stuff, even like this, right? So you still could put this in here for comparison purposes. As you can see, it fits in. There's no issues. What I will say, this bag gets thrown around, and I'm just going to be honest with you. This bag, it has the last 2 years. I mean, I'm throwing it. It's going everywhere. It's with me. It's in the car. And unfortunately for me, it's times where it's in the car where it's temps that it should not be in the car, and that is me. It wasn't done intentionally, but I will say this bag has surpassed my expectations with quality. These are the handles. This is the bottom of the bag, the straps. For a bag that's being used as much as this bag, and I mean, it's times where the bag has it's bagging. It has stuff inside of it. From my charger, I mean, like the portable heavy chargers, it has stuff inside of it, and at times it is filled to the bag is filled to capacity most times. I know with a bag, it's an investment. None of the stuff, the hardware, none of the hardware tarnished. That's something that's really big. And again, I'm using this bag, if not every single day, every day when I'm out running errands. This is my go-to bag. I'm at that phase of life where the smaller the better for me in terms of bags. But the hardware didn't tarnish. I don't see anything turning any different colors. The bag is still in really, really great condition. Especially, guys, I mean, if you look at the video, I did an unboxing video. That's how long I've had the bag, and it's been 2 years. The sides, everything, the wear and tear is very, very minimal with this bag, and that's something that I love. And after 2 years, I'm like, I know they came out with the heart-shaped bag, I believe last year, but I wanted a bag that I could wear all the time and have the quality that I'm looking for. And it's so hard to find bags like that, because let's be for real, there are bags that you purchase and you're like, oh, this is going to be amazing, and just the bag is falling and ripping apart. This bag has been put to the test many of times. Nothing has fallen off. Everything is perfect. And again, this is coming from someone who wears this bag all the time. I'm not babying this bag, and babying meaning like, oh no, it can't go there, or just, I'm like, it's times I'm just taking it off and just, whew, it's in the car, it's across the room. This bag, it is not intentional. Sometimes, it's on the bed, it falls off the bed. It's like, this bag has been through the test. And if you are looking and you're like, okay, I want this bag, but I'm not really sure if I should invest in this brand, you should invest in the brand. I can definitely stick by the quality. For me, it has over exceeded my expectations. I do plan on purchasing another bag. I will be doing a unboxing shortly. If you are looking for a black designer to support, you have to, this is one that should be top on your list no matter where you're located. And if you own any items from their collection, please let me know. What item should I order next? I know I hope they still have it. Hope it's not on back order or limited edition, but I want that bag. If you have that bag, let me know. But guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope this video was helpful. Again, I've had the bag for over 2 years and I love the quality. Minimal wear and tear. To me, the bag still looks like I just got it out the box, and it's been used, it's been worn. It's my go-to bag that I reach for it every day. But guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I look forward to chatting with you in the next one.